Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I'm doing unboxing. So what do I have over here? Over here I have a KnitCrate membership, and I'm very eager to open especially this subscription and especially this month, because what I know I have over here is a fingering weight yarn, I think, and I'm getting one of 4 colors, 2 skeins, one knitted pattern and one crocheted pattern, and this is all for just $24.99. Yes. So before I even start, let me straight away point out that we have 20% coupon code for your first subscription. I think that's how it says. Check it out yourself. The code is KIL20, 20% off. I will put all the links down below. Let's check. As you know, I was away for a while, and having something like this at my door, it's so fascinating. Ta-da! You had a sneak peek. Card. Sugar, sugar. Light black marzipan and fresh French macarons. These fruity candy colored tones are just what we need coming out of cold weather and headed into spring. Beautiful card. Now, on the back of this card I have information about what is inside this box, and the retail value is $63. What we have over here, we have yarn, like I said, we have 2 patterns I should find, and the shipping is for free, just for subscriptions. So, oh, and international. Okay, other than that, we have a bonus codes. Hopefully I come back to them later. Patterns, let's leave the yarn till the end. Oh, sugar, really? Okay. Right, so as I said, we have one knitted pattern, which is this, I think is a scarf. Chelsea Bercombe Pass Knit Designer Bloom. So here it is. First knit design. First knit design is, I think it's a scarf. I'll double check that for you in a sec so you can see it. And ladies and gentlemen, who can crochet these socks. I have never crocheted socks. Beautiful Lucy designer. Check her out. Definitely. Can I go closer? Oh yeah. Butterfly boxes. This time support refugees who are coming into the United States. Yarn. Yarn. Look what I got. Pinky Winky. Pinky Winkle. Pinky Winkle. Is that how you say Pinky Winkle? So, okay, good I have 2. So colorway on the screen, Pinky Winkle. I hope I'm saying that right. We have here sugared sock, 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina. Fingering weight, we have 399 yards, which is 364 meters and 100 grams. Now check it out. Sparkle. That's my first ever stellina yarn. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful skeins. There need to be something. There need to be something together. I've never seen stellina before. Such a beautiful, beautiful yarn, and there too. So this color I got, I hope you can still grab something. I'm not sure though, but I can show you other colors and they're gorgeous. Tell me which one is your favorite. I'm so happy to get this. This is just amazing. If I'm mixing with something, I can get a lovely, lovely shawl or garment. Oh, thank you so much. It's not going to be a hat. So one more time. KnitCrate membership, $24.99. Shipping is for free internationally, so check it out. You're getting 2 skeins of 100 gram yarns. You're receiving 2 patterns, 1 knitted and 1 crocheted, this time these, and a lovely bonus code at the back of this card. For instance, in this month we have some discounts for some patterns. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to use hashtag knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting. Don't forget to use that coupon code KIL20. Use hashtag KnitCrate with anything you knit from the KnitCrate yarns through patterns they include in the boxes. And I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye. Don't forget to tell me, what did you get?